Aging is unavoidable to all animals, maybe except for some bacteria and jellyfish, but it is still a beautiful process in the eyes of science. In this video, we'll go over what happens to our body physically when we age, why our body ages, and some things we can do to make our aging body live the best it can. Aging is the process of deterioration of bodily functions necessary for survival, which is loosely related to the number of years that we are alive. This is different from age, which is literally just a number, oftentimes subjective. Let's take a look at the cellular level first. The cell membrane, the barrier around the cell, accumulates more fatty acids, which interrupts its role of moving molecules in and out. The amount of ribosomes, the protein factory, and mitochondria, the powerhouse of the cell, decreases, leading to less protein and energy being produced to keep the cell alive. Lastly, lysosomes, the recycling center, becomes less functional, which leads to a buildup of more waste as they aren't getting broken down. Zooming out onto the organ level, as we age, our connective tissues, such as bones, become more stiff, which makes them more likely to break. This stiffness affects our more important organs as well, such as the heart and lungs, making them work harder to keep us alive. Our immune cells can't recognize pathogens as well, causing them to mistake and attack our cells instead. Though interestingly, we actually can't die from old age. It's just whenever our body is weakened as we age, it can't fight off infections such as pneumonia or heal from injuries as easily, which is what will kill us. Alright, so now why do we age? Short answer, we have no idea. Since single-celled organisms can theoretically live forever as they can just keep dividing themselves. But we have a few theories. Something we might have heard are the telomeres, which are the tips of the cell chromosomes that protect our DNA when it is being copied. Each time a cell divides, the telomeres get shorter. When a telomere is gone, the cell will kill itself to prevent it from causing more damage or becoming cancerous. As we age, more cells lose their telomeres and make our bodies weaker. Furthermore, as our body lives for longer, our cells accumulate more damage, such as from ultraviolet rays from the sun and free radicals from the byproduct of cell metabolism. Free radicals are unstable molecules that love taking away electrons, which are from our healthy cells if those free radicals linger in our bodies, causing serious damage. Even though aging is inevitable, there are a few things that we can do to ensure that this process goes smoothly. Aging may be genetic, but environmental factors play a big role in helping us age healthily. Some key factors include maintaining a healthy diet, staying active, getting enough sleep, and all the basic stuff. But most importantly, maintaining a healthy relationship and community is very crucial, being the social animals that we are. Mental health is as important as physical health, so don't be afraid to say hi to any strangers no matter the age. And there we have it. Aging is just our body deteriorating over time, as our cells gradually lose function and our body becomes more stiff. This is universal to all humans, as our body loses telomeres to protect our DNA and accumulate damage over our lifetime. However, aging shouldn't be something that we are scared of. As we take care of ourselves and our elder peers, we can make aging a mandatory but rewarding process of our lives. I hope that y'all have learned something interesting today. Thank you for watching, and stay hydrated.